So this is exactly how to connect your PlayStation 5 to university Wi-Fi. So firstly, go into settings on your PlayStation 5, click on system, and then click on system software. And then in here, click on console information. And then right here where it says MAC address Wi-Fi, make sure to write down your specific number right here. That is for you specifically. And after you've written down that specific number, then what you're going to do is to use either your phone, your tablet or laptop that is already connected to your university network. And then you're going to go to your campus IT housing or network registration page. And then you're going to log in with your student ID credentials, of course, and then click on add a new device. Type in a label like, for example, my PlayStation 5, and then you're going to input that specific MAC address that you copied before right here, so you can see. And then once you have done all of that and you have added a new device, then you're going to click on network and then click on settings and set up internet connection. And then just find that internet page right here or the network name here and then connect to it, similar to how you did with your mobile or laptop as an example. And that is basically exactly how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your university Wi-Fi.